Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching us how we can use this is a K9 wireless microphone. So I'll be teaching us how we can connect this K9 wireless microphone to our mobile device so that we can use it to film. A lot of people use this microphone in interviews and a whole lot of things, even in shooting content. So people don't know how to use it, and I'll be explaining it in this video. Okay, let's open this. For this K9, you have two mic. Before you can use it, you need to make sure that you turn on the mic. Once you turn on the microphone, it will be showing two different colors of light, red and green. It will be blinking repeatedly. So what this means that the mic has not been connected. Your own might be a different color, but it's blinking. That means that your mic is not connected to your device. So what do? You plug in your receiver to your mobile device. You plug in your receiver. When you plug in your receiver, observe your microphone. You're supposed to display a single light. When you have seen that your mic display a single light, congratulations to you, your microphone is working. But if you now put your mic, you go to your camera, you try to film something, and you find out that your mic is not bringing out the output, it's not bringing out a good signal sound, that means that it is not connected.
If you're having a problem trying to connect your mic to your phone, go to your settings, go to search bar and type OTG. A message will come up when you type the OTG. What you do next, click on that message. You see a button, turn that button on. When you turn the button on, remove your receiver and plug it back. You should be able to get a good sound.
Now, this is a full microphone. This is how it's sounding. So I'm going to link my mic. Hello guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am on the microphone. Yeah, I've been able to connect my mic to my mobile device. So I'm talking directly into it. Even if I keep my mic far away, you can see here it's clear on the mobile device.
Before we bring this video to an end, they'll quickly look at the peripherals that are added with the microphone. So we have two ports. One is an iPhone port and the other one is normal type A port with one receiver. That receiver is a type C receiver which has a port where you can plug in any cable, if depending on the kind of device you are using.
So please, if you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned from this video, please subscribe for more. Thank you so much. God bless us. Bye.